Top 7 ways to make money as a software developer. Are you a software developer trying to make money online? Well, congrats! You've clicked the right video. In this video, I will show you the 7 excellent ways to make money as a software developer. 1. Professional developer. Software developer is a high-paying job that can fetch you a lot of money if you do it for a very long time. The software industry is booming, and presently there is a lot of demand for software developers. If you are an expert developer, you can get hired by one of the world's highest-paying companies. However, a lot of people want to leave their 9-to-5 jobs and wish to have more freedom and set up their own businesses, even though they may earn less money in the beginning. But if you don't mind working for another person all through your career and lead an okay life, then this is surely a good option to consider. 2. Freelance. Freelancing is the simplest and most common way to start earning money online as a software developer. It is very easy because you only need to register on freelance websites, create a profile, and look for projects you can do. It's good to have a 100% complete freelance profile as clients check your previous projects, qualifications, experience, among other things on your profile before making their decision. As you finish more projects, you receive more positive reviews, which will enable you to increase the amount you charge and get more work. By working as a freelance coder online, you can work from anywhere, whether you are at home, on the road, or in a cafe. You can choose when and how long you want to work. You can make a very good relationship with your clients. In this way, they will continue to give you more new work from time to time. You may choose the projects you would like to work on, those you are most interested in. As you build up your reputation by earning more positive reviews, you can decide to charge more than what you would earn as an employee, doing the exact same job. The most difficult part of earning as a freelance coder online is getting the first few jobs since you begin with 0 reviews and ratings. You can lower your bids in the beginning to receive more positive reviews. 3. Begin your personal programming blog. One of the best ways to make passive income as a software developer is through blogging. With a little effort of 1 weekly blog post, you can share your programming knowledge that will interest prospective developers. The more you establish yourself as a professional in your field, the more blog visitors you will get. Choose a good host. If you are just beginning blogging, it's recommended that you host with Bluehost. This web hosting platform works well with WordPress and offers good customer support when troubleshooting a problem. You can get up to 65% discount and a free domain name if you use our affiliate link embedded in this video description. Monetize your blog. This is where you will start making money with your blog. Once you have filled your website with good content, you can choose the best monetization strategy. For example, you can place Google Ads and earn money per click, or do affiliate marketing and get a commission each time visitors purchase a product or service through your website. You may even decide to sell your own products, for instance, books about programming or a career as a software developer. 4. Ebooks. Writing an ebook is another thing that can keep making you money for a long time. As a software developer, you may write an ebook about an aspect of software development or explain a programming language in a way that can make people understand it better. Writing ebooks is also an excellent way to promote your brand and show your level of proficiency in the field. Once you have finished writing the book, you can advertise it on your websites, social media platforms, or upload it on Amazon Kindle. This may be difficult initially, but things will get better as you keep working on it. 5. Begin a YouTube channel. Have a lot of knowledge to share? Starting a YouTube channel is one of the best ways to earn passive income as a software developer. You can share your knowledge on video and set up a monetized YouTube channel by running ads or selling products or merchandise. Before you create your YouTube channel, it is important to select the right niche. Knowing what your viewers will be like is crucial to the success of your monetization. Considering that each type of content has its specific audience, it's better to target your audience with the ideal type of content they will be interested in. You can monetize your YouTube channels with ads, affiliate links, or by marketing your own products or services. 6. Create software as a service. You can build software and sell it yourself instead of building it for another person. You need more than your programming skills to achieve this. You need to have a sharp eye for opportunities and business needs. Create a software product that is in demand or that helps solve other people's problems. Besides, you will have to improve your marketing skills and be able to sell your software. Although all these skills are very important, however, not all the software developers know these skills. So you will have a big advantage if you find time to learn and use these skills. 7. Make an online course. If you like teaching, you can also earn passive income by creating an online course or publishing books. There are many online platforms where you can create, market, or even purchase courses, such as Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, and more. While you can make a lot of money by selling courses online, the bad thing about creating an online course is that it requires a lot of time and effort. If you have a small audience, you may find it difficult to sell your course. Learning sites like Udemy helps with the marketing since they already have a huge audience. But it will be good to have a presence on social media, including Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and more, before creating an online course. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like the video and subscribe to DevDev Show YouTube channel to see more content like this.